Hi guys, let's do this question. And guys, I read the question. And the question states, prove the trigonometric identities. Guys, we have done that. Now we come and do this. Roman 2. Sin 2 theta plus sin 4 theta plus sin 6 theta is equals to sin 4 theta 2 cos 2 theta plus 1, all that into bracket. Guys, our question is right here. And so we can now go ahead now to do it just here guys. So what guys we are going to do is that we are going to replace for sin 6 theta. Sin 6 theta is the same as sin 2 theta plus 4 theta. And so guys, we expand that. So when we expand that guys, this is what now we are going to have. So instead of sin 6 theta, we shall have sin 2 theta cos 4 theta plus sin 4 theta cos theta. So all that guys, we are proving that is the same as that. So the next thing we are going to combine is this and that. And we do that by factoring out sin 2 theta. So when we factor out sin 2 theta, guys, we shall find this. Be left here with 1 and here with the cos 4 theta. The same case with sin 4 theta and sin 4 theta cos theta, we factor out sin 4 theta. So we get 1 plus cos 2 theta. From there guys, we come and now replace for cos 4 theta with this identity. So when we replace with that identity, guys, we can now come and also replace negative sine squared 2 theta by this other identity. And negative sine squared 2 theta is equals to, we just bring this one here. So you shall have cos squared 2 theta minus 1. So when you put it in place here, guys, the ones are going to cancel because here you have cos squared 2 theta minus 1. One cancels, and then we are left with these two, cos squared 2 theta plus cos squared 2 theta, which gives us 2 cos squared 2 theta, as you can see here guys. Now plus sin 4 theta, guys, we can also replace this cos 2 theta with this other identity, and this identity is gotten from these two. When you combine these two identities, you shall find that cos 2 theta is equals to that. And so this one and a 1 can cancel. So guys, we are left now with this. That is sin 2 theta. You have 2 cos squared 2 theta plus sin 4 theta. This is the same as that. And so guys, we can now factor out the 2 cos squared theta. So when we factor out guys, this is what we are going to find. As you can see, you have, in fact, we've not even factored out. What we have done guys, we have expanded this to get 2 sin 2 theta cos 2 theta. Then we write that. And the same case guys, we write that. From there guys, we can now factor out 2 sin 2 theta cos 2 theta. And this is what I have already done. First of all, I have not done there. I have done now in the next step. Factoring out 2 sin 2 theta cos 2 theta. This is what we are factoring out. And here we are factoring out that. So let's see what we shall be left with. Guys, we shall be left with this. This is what we are going to be left with when we factor out. That is this and also cos 2 theta. Guys, again, this 2 cos 2 theta can also be replaced by this identity. Cos 2 theta is equals to 2 cos 2 theta minus 1. And so therefore this one is same as cos 2 theta plus 1. So you have 2 cos 2 theta here. And so guys, we can now come and write this sine 4 theta. For this is sine 4 theta, which is here. And for this, you have cos 2 theta. And then we also have another cos 2 theta after replacing that. Now plus 1 here. So this is what you have, this and that. And so these ones become now 2 cos 2 theta. And guys, this is now finally what we get as our solution. So guys, thank you for listening to me. Bye.